Hi, fourth graders. In this video, I'm going to show you some tools that you're going to use when you're going to be editing in Google Slides. The very first thing you need to do when you go into a Google Slides assignment is rename the assignment. Typically, it'll rename it for you, but if it doesn't, you'll need to change it yourself. You're going to rename it to where it has your first name, last name, a dash, and then the assignment title. The assignment title will automatically be there for you, so you won't have to change that. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to add and delete a slide. You'll only want to do this if you are instructed. If you are deleting slides, you'll not be able to get that information back. To add a slide, you're going to go to this left panel. You're going to right click and add new slide. If you want to delete a slide, you're going to click the slide you want to delete, right click on that slide and click delete. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to add, delete, and move a text box. So the first thing is going to be to move a text box. You're going to hover over the gray line of the text box until you see the plus sign with the arrows. You're going to click on the text box till you see a blue border around that. And then you can move it to wherever you want on the page. To delete, you're going to do the same thing. Hover over the gray line till you see the arrow plus sign. Click on it till you see the blue border. Then right click and you're going to click delete. If you want to insert a text box, you're going to go up to the top to insert, click text box until you see a plus sign. You're going to left click and drag to how big you want your text box to be. Other things that you can insert are different images. So you can upload from your computer, you can search the web, you can upload it from your Drive or your Photos album, you can use a URL, or you can even use a camera to take a picture of your assignments or yourself. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to change the font, size, and color of your text. So I'm just going to type the word happy. If you want to change the font size, color, all of those things, you're going to have to highlight any text that you want to change. Then you can go up to this toolbar up here, change the font from these selections. You can change the size. The B stands for bold, I is for italicize, the U is for underline. You can change the color of the text and you can highlight the text as well. Now, the last thing that I'm going to show you how to do is how to spell check. Now, I'm going to change this word to be incorrectly spelled. Now, you can see that this has a red squiggly line. That tells you that the word is spelled incorrectly. So I'm going to highlight that word, go to Tools, Spelling, and Spell Check. And it's going to tell you the correct spelling of that word. And you're going to click Change. And that will help you spell the words correctly. I hope this video was informational. And that's all you're going to need to know for slides for now.